Pros and cons of using MDF for kitchen cabinets. Dear friends, cabinetry is one of the most significant things to consider when designing a kitchen since it influences both practicality and aesthetics. While solid wood and plywood have long been popular kitchen cabinet materials, medium density fiberboard, MDF, is quickly gaining popularity. MDF has distinct advantages and disadvantages, so it is critical to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Here's why MDF may be a good, or bad, choice for your kitchen cabinets. First, let's discuss the pros of using MDF. Affordability. Not everyone has the financial means to purchase expensive cabinets, but that doesn't mean you have to forego style or quality. Stylish MDF board for kitchen cabinets adds style and appeal to your kitchen space without breaking the bank. Consistent quality. MDF's manufacturing method ensures maximum consistency. This consistency is especially useful when making cabinets since it assures that each panel has equal strength and longevity. Easy to work with, MDF panels have a flat surface that may be easily painted, allowing for unique finishes that complement the space's decor. As we have talked about the pros, let us put our attention to the cons of using MDF. Water damage. MDF is more resistant to warping than real wood, although it is still vulnerable to water damage. If MDF is exposed to water for an extended period of time, it can swell and become irreparably damaged. Strength. MDF is not as robust as actual wood, despite its weight and density. If a cabinet is subjected to too much weight or pressure, it may fracture or split. Limited style options. While MDF can be painted in custom finishes, it is less adaptable than solid wood when it comes to creating elaborate designs or profiles. Conclusion. Is MDF suitable for kitchen cabinets? MDF is a low-cost and adaptable solution for kitchen cabinets, with advantages such as ease of painting and resistance to warping. It's an excellent solution for those seeking attractive cabinets without the high cost of genuine wood. However, these advantages must be balanced against potential disadvantages, such as susceptibility to water damage and restricted maintenance alternatives in order to make a wise choice. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.